The menu in this Ukrainian restaurant has a variety of tasty cuisine to choose from: carrot pies, brownies and homemade pastries. However, most customers come for traditional Ukrainian cuisine, like makovniki, pancakes with different fillings, and of course, Varenyky. In this kitchen in New York, from 3,000 to 4,000 Varenykys are made every day. The filling could be traditional, which is cottage cheese or mashed potatoes, or experimental, like truffles, goat cheese or arugula. Over 1,000 customers visit the Ukrainian restaurant named Veselka in the center of New York. It takes 4 chefs to knead the dough needed to feed all of the customers. Cheese, fried onions and potatoes. Such is the recipe. Idana brought the original recipe from her hometown in Poland. She has been working in Veselka for the last 8 years. I miss my daughter. She's still in Poland. My son is in England. Our family is all over the world. Ukrainians are also among the restaurant's chefs. Lisa is from Lviv. She has been working in Veselka for 6 years. I just got lucky. I was looking for a job, came here and they were hiring. I feel at home. I hear my native language all the time. Another Ukrainian, Olha, came to the US not that long ago. She has been here for 9 months. My son used to work here for 4 years. I like it here. I don't know English, but I am learning. My Polish got better as well. Jason Burchard, who has Ukrainian roots, runs the restaurant. His grandfather moved to America in 1948.
He arrived here in 1948 with his wife and 2 small children. One of them, those children, was my mother, Marta. My grandfather worked, he was very active in the Plast Foundation, Plast Scouts. In this building is also the Plast Scout organization. In the early 1950s, my grandfather was one of the founding members of this organization, Plast, in New York. So this store started as a small candy shop and a newsstand, newspapers from Ukraine, and just 1 or 2 soups, borscht being one of the soups, which is very typical Ukrainian. Over the years, they slowly expanded the menu to Varenyky and Platski and Nalisniki.
Veselka has been around for 64 years. The owner says the secret to its success lies in the traditional Ukrainian cuisine.
This is my family business, so it's like a second child. So we definitely would like to introduce people to Ukrainian food who never had it before, but I also have to make a living. But we have a good balance that I can make a business and to support Ukrainian.
The menu is always changing as the chefs try to build on new tastes and experiment with new ingredients.
I love the truffle mushroom one. It has like a, because I'm a vegetarian, but it has so much flavor to it when it's just like, it's like a dumpling, but it's really good. I like it with the onions on top. And I mean, I work here every weekend, so like sometimes I come in because my boyfriend's from Belarus, so you know, similar stuff. We come here and get potato pancakes or varenyky.
So could you make for your boyfriend varenyky?
Varenyky, no, but I can make borscht, and he says it's pretty good, so.
Veselka restaurant has become popular not only in New York, but far beyond the city's border. Customers eager to try Ukrainian cuisine come from all across the country.